Meaning of egg roll.
Egg roll.
Egg roll.
Egg roll.
Egg roll. Egg roll is a type of Chinese-American cuisine that consists of a vegetable and meat filling, typically including shredded cabbage, carrots, and ground pork, that is wrapped in a thin egg-based wrapper and deep-fried until golden brown. The result is a crispy exterior with a savory, slightly sweet and salty filling that is often served as an appetizer or snack. Egg rolls have become a popular dish in many parts of the world, particularly in Chinese restaurants or as pre-packaged convenience food in supermarkets.